In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an online signature extension in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate Chrome's menus, find a trusted signature tool in the Chrome Web Store, and add it to your browser with confidence. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the very top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the Chrome menu or the Overflow menu. Click those three dots to open the main menu. From that list, choose Extensions. Depending on your version of Chrome, extensions might appear directly in the menu or inside a submenu. If you don't see it immediately, scan the list carefully until you find it. When the Extensions panel opens, select Manage Extensions. This takes you to Chrome's dedicated Extensions page, where you can view what's already installed, turn items on or off, and reach the Chrome Web Store. On this page, find and click Chrome Web Store. It's usually visible as a link or button that opens a new tab with Google's official extension marketplace. In the Chrome Web Store, locate the search bar at the top left and type the phrase Signature Extension. Press Enter to see a list of results tailored to digital signing and online signature tools. You're looking for a reputable option, so take a moment to scan the titles and icons. From the search results, choose either Online Signature or Electronic Signature Generator. These names indicate tools designed for creating or applying digital signatures in your browser. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to glance at the star rating, read a few recent reviews, and note the number of users and the last updated date. Consistent, recent updates, and strong feedback are helpful signs of a reliable extension. Make sure the publisher name looks legitimate and steer clear of anything that seems suspicious or unrelated to signatures. Once you've selected the extension you want, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may display a brief description of the permissions the extension needs. Take a moment to read those details so you understand what access the tool will have in your browser. If everything looks appropriate for your use case, continue with the add process. After a few seconds, Chrome will download and install the extension, and you'll see it listed on your extensions page. That's it. You've navigated through Chrome's menu, reached the web store, searched for a signature extension, chosen a reputable option, and added it to Chrome. You're now set to explore your new tool and streamline your signing tasks right from your browser.